Hi, my name is Tyler C., and I teach viola at the University of Nebraska, Omaha, and I'm here to help you today with your preparations for the 2023 All-State Orchestra audition. You're going to see a number of scales in both major and minor in these videos, as well as three excerpts, or two etudes and one excerpt rather, that are all going to be required as part of the audition for this year. The scales, there are a lot of scales that we're supposed to be preparing for this audition. However, the way I've learned and the way I teach scales is to basically break break the scale into two fingering systems, meaning the C major and the C minor scale are fingered one way, both identically, and then every other scale that begins with a first finger, or that can begin with a first finger, we begin with the first finger and we follow the same fingering shifting pattern up and down, regardless if the scale is in major or minor. So what that means is that we only have two scale fingering methods that we actually want to learn in order to play all of the scales that are going to be required. So for the C major scale, music should be accompanying these so that you can examine where I shift on which strings, both ascending and descending. One of the things that you should note is that anytime you see a Roman numeral in these fingered scales, what that indicates is the hand position. So a Roman numeral 1 means first position, 3 means third position, and so on and so forth. The highest we get to in the course of these scales is on the G major scale, where we climb all the way up to 10th position, which is pretty exciting. Okay, so I think this fingering for the scales will be self-explanatory. Another nice thing that I do is I like to put an entire bow in one bar. So what that means is I'll be slurring 6 notes together rather than how they're printed, where everything is separate. When we're playing at the 80 beats per minute that they are requesting, playing 1 bar per bow ends up flowing pretty nicely, and it's just another way of keeping track of where we're at in the scales. And also, again, since I'm going to do the same bowing through all of the scales, it eliminates one thing that I have to be thinking about while I'm doing it. The major scales: C major, D major, E flat major, E major, F major, G major, minor scales. F sharp melodic minor. F melodic minor. C melodic minor. D melodic minor. E melodic minor. G melodic minor.